Your customers aren't comparing your agency to the agent down the street. They're comparing you to Amazon, Netflix, and Disney. Think about it for a second. Your customers aren't comparing your agency to the agent down the street. They're comparing you to Amazon, Netflix, and Disney. Think about it for a second. Amazon updates you the second your package ships. Disney makes every interaction feel magical. Netflix serves up exactly what you want before you even know it. That's the standard that your customers are used to. And if your agency can't deliver that same level of experience, they'll move on. The good news is AI makes it possible to give world-class service without needing a world-class staff. And that's what we're talking about today. This is part 3 of our AI and Tech series, how AI can help you deliver Disney-level service in your agency. I'm Courtney Weaver, one of your hosts of the Insurance Buzz. So let's get into it. Let's start with the truth. People don't leave insurance agencies because of price. They leave because of service, slow follow-up, you dropping the ball, a lack of communication. That is what kills retention. And retention is where you make your money. This is mailbox money. AI helps you fix that by giving your agency speed, consistency, and personalization all at scale. One of the simplest ways to use AI right now is through automation. I want you to picture this. A new customer signs up and they instantly get a personalized welcome email. A birthday rolls around and they get a text that feels like it came straight from you. A claim is filed and AI updates them automatically as the claim moves forward. That's the kind of personal touch that clients love, and it happens automatically. No more chasing sticky notes or tags or missed reminders. This is where we have to go. This is where we are headed. I want you to think about Netflix or Amazon and how they keep you hooked. They always recommend what's next. Insurance is no different. Recommendation AI can surface to be the next best product for your customer. They just bought auto, great. The system suggests maybe a life policy or an umbrella policy because people like them usually need this. I want you to think about this in the training aspect too. This means fewer missed opportunities. More policies per household, which equals higher retention and better relationships. I want you to start thinking about all of these different things as I'm going through and what you can implement. Now, decision AI is huge because it can look at your book of business and flag customers who might be at risk of leaving. Maybe they haven't opened an email in 6 months. Maybe they've had multiple billing issues. Maybe they asked for a quote from a competitor. Instead of finding out too late, AI is going to give you the heads up so that you can pick up the phone and fix the relationship before it's gone. I already know this is part of the game, but we have to be paying attention to this. We have to be using AI in our favor. Vision AI is where we're headed. It's the claims process. Imagine a client taking a photo of their car in an accident. Instead of waiting days for an adjuster, Vision AI is going to come in, analyze the photo, give an instant read on damage. This is not sci-fi. This is not too far in the future. We're already testing this. We know this. And when clients see speed like that, they remember that your agency is the one that made it happen. Now, I know this is carrier-based usually, but let's think about this. Clients don't stay with you because of AI. They stay with you because of you. AI doesn't replace empathy. It doesn't replace the comfort of hearing your voice, you being able to actually pick up the phone when they call, you answering in the middle of the night and showing up at their house with a fire check. They remember this. They remember who was there when shit hit the fan. What I want you to do is use AI to really create automations, touch points, and exceptional customer service so that you can focus on those conversations. You can focus on those interactions. You can really think about, how do I take this experience and take it to the next level? So here's your assignment. I want you to really look at your customer service process. And I want you to see, is there something that you can automate? Is there a way that you can take it to the next level? Instead of just one little birthday thing, How can we really leverage AI to create touch points throughout their entire customer journey to make them feel seen and heard without you having to add more people to your team? These are the clients when you go through that will be the ones that never leave. This is your retention. This is truly how you get to show up and put your magical wand, Disney princess of customer service touch on things. This is truly how the game changes when it comes to service. I want you to automate the things that are repetitive tasks that a computer can do so much better than we can. And I want you to focus on the things that you cannot automate. I want you to focus on the experience. I want you to focus on how they feel when they join your agency, because the standard is high. It's Amazon, it's Netflix, it's all of these tools that they've already been exposed to. How can you make your agency just as remarkable, just as memorable? Okay, that's it. That's all I have for this episode. Thank you so much for tuning in. This was a 3-part series that we did all about AI and technology. My main goal is really just to bring more information, bring more tools to you so that you can go into 2026 and really feel equipped to take on where our industry is headed. Technology is moving even faster and faster, but I want you to have the tools so that you can stay ahead of the curve. I want you to adapt to these things. Do not get left behind. These things are here to make us more efficient, make us better at our jobs, give us more accountability, give us our time back, and allow us to do the thing that we do best, have fun in our careers and create meaningful, exceptional relationships for people on their worst day. We're the ones that get to do that. We're the ones that get to hand them a check in the middle of the night when their house is on fire. We are the ones that get the phone call, unfortunately, when a spouse has passed away. Like, we are the ones that are there, and we cannot be replaced for that feeling. But I do want you to leverage AI and technology to make your jobs easier, okay? If you enjoyed this 3-part series, please let us know. Make sure and leave us a 5-star rating and review. If you love the buzz, share it with your friends. As always, time and attention are genuinely by far our greatest assets. I will continue to die on that hill. I believe that through and through, and I know how valuable and precious your time and attention are. Thank you so much for spending some of that with me. I appreciate you so, so, so much. Go out and make it great.